Imagine having a helper inside Excel, ready to tackle your tasks. That's Microsoft Copilot. It's like a super smart assistant built into Microsoft 365. Copilot uses the power of AI to understand your data and what you want to do. Whether you're a spreadsheet newbie or a pro, Copilot is here to make your life easier. No more struggling with formulas or formatting. So how does Copilot actually work in Excel? Let's say you have a big list of sales data. You want to find the top-selling products and create a chart. Just tell Copilot. You can type in simple commands like, show me the top 5 products, or create a bar chart of sales by region. Copilot does the rest in seconds. Here are a few more examples of how Copilot can work its magic. Instantly analyze trends in your data and get insights without complex formulas. Generate summaries of your spreadsheets in plain English. Clean up messy data and format it consistently. Microsoft Copilot is a game changer for Excel users. It saves you time, simplifies your work, and helps you unlock the full potential of your data. With Copilot, you can focus on what really matters, making better decisions and achieving your goals. The future of productivity is here, and it's powered by AI.